Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use easy ads for Shopify. First, link your Shopify store to an advertising platform like Facebook or Google. Next, clearly define your ideal customer to ensure your ads reach the right people. Then, establish a daily budget, perhaps $10 to $20, to control your spending. This initial setup is crucial for launching successful campaigns and maximizing your return on investment without overcomplicating the process. Once your setup is complete, focus on creating engaging ad content. Your ad copy should be clear and concise, emphasizing the unique benefits of your products. Always use high-quality images or videos that truly showcase what you offer. Finally, include a compelling call to action, like Shop Now, to guide potential customers directly to your store. This combination helps capture attention and drives conversions effectively. After launching your ads, continuous monitoring is key to success. Regularly review performance metrics such as click-through rates and conversion data. Use this information to make informed adjustments to your targeting or budget. Experiment with different ad creatives and copy to discover what truly resonates with your audience. This iterative process ensures your campaigns remain efficient and deliver the best possible results over time. To scale your efforts, consider implementing retargeting campaigns for past website visitors, offering them special incentives. Also, explore creating lookalike audiences based on your best customers to find new, similar prospects. These strategies can significantly boost your reach and sales. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are vital for long-term advertising success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.